If it works, it stays. If it feels, it decays. Function over feeling. Always. No meaning, just result. No question, only pose. Cold logic hits the floor. Less emotion moves us more. Tested true. Under strain. What survives is what remains. Function over feeling. No delay. If it breaks, it's replaced. Hands repeat what is proven. Body follows what is moving. No regret.